Unlock a world of on-demand entertainment on your Apple TV. By mastering the Amazon Prime Video app, it's easier than you think. First things first, let's get the Amazon Prime Video app installed. Navigate to your Apple TV's home screen and find the App Store icon. Click on it to open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, locate the search bar. Usually at the top, tap on it and type in Prime Video. You should see the official Amazon Prime Video app appear in the search results. Select it, and then look for the button that says Get or a cloud download icon. Click on that to begin the installation. Once the download is complete, the Amazon Prime Video app icon will appear on your Apple TV's home screen. Find it and click to open the app. Now it's time to sign in. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. You'll need to enter the email address associated with your Amazon Prime account and your password. For a smoother experience, you might see an option to sign in using a code. This is often the quickest way. If you see this, it will provide a code to enter on another device, like your phone or computer, by visiting a specific Amazon sign-in website. Simply go to the website shown on your Apple TV using a web browser on your phone or computer. Enter the code provided, and then log in with your Amazon account credentials. Once authenticated on your other device, your Apple TV will automatically sign you in. Congratulations, you're in. You'll now see the Amazon Prime Video library. You can easily navigate through different categories like movies, TV shows, or explore personalized recommendations. Browse to find something you'd like to watch. When you find your selection, simply highlight it and press the center button on your remote to view its details page and start streaming. Enjoy your favorite Amazon Prime Video content right on your big screen with your Apple TV. Happy streaming!